Hey, it's Noe with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect high-waisted, wide-leg pair of pants, then let me show you these beautiful pants from FREEOAK. One of my favorite things about this pair of pants is the elastic waistband, which allows for a generous stretch. I'm 5'3", and I found that the length of this pair of pants was perfect to wear with either heels or flats. The cute little belt allows you to tie it in a bow or a knot and is just a beautiful accent. Look how beautiful this print is. The fabric these pants come with is absolutely perfect for spring or summer. It's breathable and flowy. When holding it up against the light, it might appear to be see-through, but when you put them on, they are not see-through. These pants are perfect for any occasion. You can dress them up or you can dress them down. I did find that these pants were true to size, but you can easily size up if you're unsure. These pants come in multiple colors as well. So if you're looking for a comfy, flowy, beautiful pair of pants to wear for your next special occasion, then check out these high-waisted, wide-leg pants from FREEOAK. And that's my point of view.